I cannot really explain what I feel right now. It a blend of love, admiration, then longing and hunger for you, for your body. I am feeling a little bit love too, but still I give it is because I want you right now in 1001 ways. I want to feel you around me. I want to be safe of your eyes, your hands, all over me, your mouth calling to me softly. I want you so much that I wish I could see you right now. I cannot wait to get off work and be with you. I think I might consider working from home so that we can have all the time in the world to enjoy each other as much as we want. What do you think? I love you so much, baby, and I will keep loving you, my queen, my beautiful angel on earth. Please be honest. How do I look, my love? I miss you so much, baby. Send me a message now.